Ever wondered how to bulk up without resorting to unhealthy eating habits? Here's a day on a plate for muscle mass. Early morning, kickstart your metabolism with a protein-packed breakfast of scrambled eggs, whole grain toast and a side of fruit. Mid-morning, snack on a handful of almonds, a great source of healthy fats and protein. Lunchtime, focus on lean protein like grilled chicken, coupled with brown rice and a rainbow of vegetables. In the afternoon, enjoy a smoothie made with Greek yogurt, a banana and a spoonful of peanut butter. Dinner, serve up a hearty salmon fillet, quinoa and steamed broccoli. Before bed, indulge in a casein protein shake to keep your muscles fed as you sleep. Remember, the key is consistency. Eat clean, train hard, and results will follow. Until next time, stay strong and keep pushing. Before we wrap up this episode, I just wanted to take a moment to remind you all to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Your support means everything to me, and it's what allows me to keep bringing you these daily insights into my journey. Also, don't hesitate to drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future content. I'm always eager to hear from you and to keep improving the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's not just about eating right, it's about living right. Keep pushing those limits. Until next time, stay strong.